Hello my Indian students, hope everyone is doing well. So today what's the story is I'll teach you plumbing, HVAC, ceiling. I'll show you how to design the ductwork. Just keep them aside. We will focus on the duct. This has been a very famous question or a request. John, can you please teach me HVAC ducting? Okay. So what we do is duct. Okay, see duct systems. Here we go. Okay. See, we have by default you would see only supply, return, and exhaust. I'll give an example. Here, system. I teach you the basics of Revit. We go to system, duct. There, family, duct system. So we have only three of them. But what does this signify is when I place a duct, we're going to explain everything. I'm talking about this. See, only three. If we want to create another one, fresh air, what we need to do is, say what does fresh air does is click, let's say supply, right click, duplicate, rename fresh or vent or whatever. Okay. So now if I click duct now, fresh air is there. Okay. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. Okay, another thing is, I just want to teach you the basics of the different types of duct. One is oval, one is rectangular, and one is round. Generally, round you use when you don't have false ceiling. Okay, so you can see it. Rectangular is the other way around. Anyway, so I just teach you what does these three mean. So let's say metered elbow / tab. See, can you see? Look at the elbow here. Okay. This is called metered elbow. If I do something similar, I say create similar, right click, create similar. I do a metered T. Okay, this two is same. I will show you what does it mean. Same. Okay, this is metered T. See, what does it mean is when I come to create one branch, it creates as a T. That is called metered. Metered is this one, elbow / T. What does it? This one, tap. Tap means from here it comes out. Not doesn't make a T. You see what I mean? Okay. Hope it's clear now. Okay. On the other hand, create similar. Radius elbow. Tap. That means I think you get the picture. It is similar to this, except this there will be radius elbow. Okay. Tap. Very similar. T. It is rectangular. T. Okay. So hope you understand this. This is very, very, very important. Okay. So many people, students. Sorry, a bit of many students have asked this question. So I hope I've clarified this answer. Okay. So now, what's the difference between supply? Let's say here. Let's say create supply. I want it to be exhaust or fresh air. Okay, but now it is blue in color. I want it to be green color or pink color, whichever color. What I do is fresh air, type properties, change the color to pink. So, okay, pink. Same story was for supply. Why was it blue? Because type properties, edit type, blue. Okay. Anyway, I hope you understood this lesson. Probably in the next class, I'll show you how to change. Now we have 300 by 300. The width is 110. It's too sharp. It's a 220, 250. Why did it use this transition? 45-degree transition. Why did not use 15-degree transition? Okay, and how to control it? Right click, create similar. Tab. Why did it use this takeoff? Why did not use the other takeoff? We have only one loaded here. Okay, I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, so this is like a basic class, foundation class on ducting. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed the class. We see each other in the next video.